5 is finally here and it's a game changer. This is the biggest upgrade we've seen in ChatGPT so far. It can do it all: text, images, voices, even live videos, all in same conversation. It's faster, more accurate, and much better at understanding what you want. It even remembers your preferences. Let's break down why it matters and why you'll want to try it as soon as you can. One AI for everything. In the past, you had to pick different versions of ChatGPT for different jobs. Maybe you used one for speed, another for deep thinking, and another for working with images. It was like juggling different tools. Now with GPT-5, all that is gone. All you have to do is just type or speak your request to the GPT prompt, and GPT-5 will automatically pick the best mod for you. Inside GPT-5, there are two main brains. GPT-5 Main works quickly for most tasks. GPT-5 Thinking takes more time for complicated reasoning and problem solving. You don't have to choose between them, it decides for you. 3 versions for different needs. GPT-5 comes in 3 sizes. Standard, the most powerful with the best reasoning and largest memory. Mini, a good middle ground, faster and cheaper. Nano, super lightweight and very cheap, perfect for simple tasks. If you hit your usage limit on standard version, it will automatically switch to mini or nano version, so you can still keep working without any interruption, and even the smaller versions are stronger than GPT-3 ever was. Smarter, faster, more accurate. OpenAI says GPT-5 makes far fewer mistakes, and those made-up facts called hallucinations are down by 78% in thinking mode. It also has a huge memory. The context window is 256,000 tokens in ChatGPT, that's about 200,000 words, and also 400,000 tokens in the API. That means you can give it an entire novel, a massive code base, or a huge research paper. It will keep track without losing the thread. All in one: text, images, voice, and live video. This is one of the biggest upgrades. You can now talk to GPT-5 using text, or you can send it pictures, or you can speak to it, or you can even show a live video feed, all in same chat. In the launch demo, it built a website in French, reading it out with the correct pronunciation, analyzed upload images, watched a live video of someone fixing a bike, and gave step-by-step instructions in real time. It still can't create videos, it is done by the OpenAI Sora, but still it can analyze videos and give you step-by-step instructions. Upgraded voice mode. The voice mode is now much more natural. It can adjust its tone, pacing to fit the conversation, so it feels less robotic and respond faster. If you're a pro user, you get higher limits, and you can even use voice mode in video or screen sharing calls. And now voice also works inside custom GPTs, which is something many users have been asking for. A big deal for developers. Programmers are going to love this update. GPT-5 is clearly designed to compete with tools like Anthropic Claude, which many developers have been using. OpenAI showed demos with companies like Cursor, Versal, and Windsurf. In one test, GPT-5 wrote more than 400 lines of code in just 2 minutes to build a physics simulation from scratch. It doesn't just write code, it can run long multi-step agents in the background, find and fix tricky bugs, build complex software from just one prompt. Someone called this software in demand, and that's exactly what it feels like. More personalization. You can now choose from 4 preset personalities: cynic, robot, listener, nerd. They are optional, but it solves the yes man problem that you always get when you ask a question from the ChatGPT. GPT-5 also has much better memory. It can remember your preferences, facts you have told, and instructions you have given even days later. You can set long-term goals like preparing for an exam or tracking fitness progress, and it will keep helping you over time. Better integration. Soon GPT-5 will connect automatically to your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts, and you will be able to pull up information without even adjusting or timing or enabling each time. Safety and reliability. The thing is, OpenAI have marked GPT-5 is high risk in some areas, especially with knowledge of biological and chemical weapons. That means extra safety layers like human review and account restrictions for certain cases. Hallucinations are much less common in GPT-5 than the older versions, but it is not impossible. And also, when you ask for some health advices, it will give you the advice, but it will also remind you that ChatGPT is not a replacement for a real doctor. It can also help you with some hacking related tasks, but it is not powerful enough to break into a secure system. Pricing. For ChatGPT users, Plus is still $20 per month, Pro is still $200 per month. For API users, standard version $125 per million input tokens, $10 per million output tokens. Mini version 25 cents per input, $2 per output. Nano, it's even cheap. You can find all these details in their website, and I will link the website in the description down below as well. So, real world use. You can use ChatGPT 5 for debugging and building apps, analyzing huge datasets, generating content designs, creating quizzes, games, and visual explanations. Mini and Nano versions are perfect for simple day-to-day tasks, and standard one is for huge, high-stake tasks. So, final thoughts. Switching back from GPT-5 to older version feels like going from a retina display to a blurry display. So, there's a huge difference, and even early testers says that it is more accurate, it is faster, and it gives personality, which is great. OpenAI is not called this AGI yet. It's specialized but extremely good at language reasoning, coding, and analysis. Even free users can get benefit from GPT-5. You get advanced reasoning model, multimodal chats, and if you hit the limit, you will just switch to a mini or nano model without getting locked out. That's great. Microsoft has already integrated it into Copilot and GitHub, which says a lot about how confident they are in it. If you've been using AI just casually, now with GPT-5 you can do all your tasks in one place. But if you are deep into coding, content analysis, content creation, now GPT-5 will replace lots of the tools that you have been juggling with. And with Mini and Nano, it's also affordable to run at scale. So that's GPT-5's smarter, faster, reliable AI tool to work alongside with your day-to-day work. Have you tried GPT-5? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another useful video. Have a great week.